Hello, team. So now I will give you the part 3 of our video. So here it is. Please don't share this video, class, because wala na ni siya gi-edit ni Ma'am Lala. So meaning, um, it's just for our consumption lang, ha? And if other teachers are not doing this, please kanang no comparison. No comparison. Okay, let's go on and answer, not an answer, and talk about how we can answer the EPP module. So here it is. This is your EPP module, class. Oops. Oops. There. This is your EPP module. So, mga panuntunan sa pagsali sa discussion forum at chat. So, ito na. Discussion forum or chat, kana magaling ato ang group chat, class, di ba? We don't have group chats kita nga mga bata, teacher and bata. Ako po siyang gi-discourage, class, kay sa una kato na ay group chat na ato siya nag-away nga mga bata and it's not healthy. Pero if naamo inyo ang group chat, just be careful with your words, ha? And don't fight. So first is, I want you to read here. Mga panuntunan sa pagsali sa discussion forum at chat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yan lang. Huwag niyong kopyahin yan. Please always read that one. Read lang, read. Ito yung dapat niyong kopyahin. What is that? For example, kana, the answer for that is chat. Isang real-time na pag-uusap sa pagitan ng dalawang tao o higit pa gamit ang computer. Ang gawain 1, I want you to copy and answer. Ha? Because hindi ko naman to ipapakopya, class. Ito lang yung ipapakopya ko. Ito, ha? At lahat ng yan nakikita nyo dito. Lahat ng answers dyan, nakikita nyo lamang yan kung binasa nyo ito. So, basahin ito ng mabuti, ha? Gawain 2, nako, napaka-easy lang because it is just multiple choice. Gawain 3, masayang mukha at malungkot na mukha. So, ayan lang. Yan lang. Magtatapos lang tayo sa gawain 3. Ang mataas lang nating gagawin ay ito. Ilalagay lang natin to sa notebook ha. Tapos, ito yung nabuong salita kasi magagamit natin yan sa periodical test. At let's go to science. Science is Phases of the Moon. Kani siya, class, it is a very nice lesson. Hopefully, ma-lesson nato ni siya when we go to school on Thursday. So, this is it. I want you to read unsay meaning ang new moon, first quarter, last quarter. You can also go to YouTube, class, and look at their unsay mga, I would give you a link kung asa maayong mulantaw sa YouTube para ani siya nga lesson because this is a very interesting lesson in science. Okay? Kanilang column A, column B, compare lang. I mean, matching type. All you have to do is to write A, B, C, D, E, F, diri. You don't have to copy. You don't have to copy, pero please, maluoy, basaha intahon ang inyuhang kopyahon, ha? Basaha ang inyuhang module. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, multiple choice. That's a very easy exercise. Activity 2, only put the letter true or false here and then humana. You also have an answer key there. Please, ayaw yung tawag lantawan na answer key when you answer the module because that's cheating, ha? Thank you. And I think that's all. If you have questions for Ma'am Lala, please send me a message. Kung madugay, you can ring my phone. O di jud ka answer, please hulat lamang kay mo tubag lagi sa Ma'am Lala. Ha? Thank you very much and good luck in answering your module. Laban lang kay hapit na tamahuman.